So this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another updating video. This time we have macOS Tahoe 26.1 RC, that is release candidates. So before releasing to the general public, Apple released to the developer to try this on. So if you are interested to downloading install, you can follow this tutorial. Okay, first of all, you have to go here, system setting, here at the bottom, if you have there. Or no, you can go to Apple logo at the corner, hit this one, this is system setting, go inside. In system setting, in software update available, it should be here. If you don't see here, you can hit general button, go software update, you would see. In any case, if you don't see here this option, you have to check all the things is on. You see automatic update should be on, data update should be on as well. In case if you don't see anything, that means your Mac is not eligible, so you have to check the eligibility of your Mac, and also you have to have an Apple developer account. So in this case, you can click here developer.apple.com, or you can go to Safari and you have to type Apple developer. In this page, you have to go to account and you have to put your email address. With the same email address, you continue with the same account of your Apple. You go inside and create one Apple developer account. Then go inside and make one developer account. You see, join Apple developer program. I already have here, you see Harry Jeffrey, so make one developer account, then you return back, you can see this one. More than that, if you don't see anyway, you have to check the eligibility of your computer. After 2019, all the Mac till 2025 are eligible. Before that, most of the Mac will not be eligible for these. Okay, one more thing, before doing anything, you have to make a backup of your computer in case of you want to return back to the previous version, older version. If you don't have backup, you'll have a serious consequences. Do a backup with the time machine. Okay, so where you can see time machine, you can click here the search option and type time machine. You can see here time machine. Click this one. You have to set up a location, add backup to the disk. You can do backup, so do backup with the time machine. You can hit here restart now or update tonight. So I'm gonna hit restart now. You have to put your password. It will restart my machine couple of times. You see installing update. So it is 9.34 gigabytes of update, more or less. It will take 10 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, you can go and grab some tea or coffee. I will be back then. So the computer has started, you see, without any welcome screen, anything at all. Only here you see software update. Your Mac has been updated to macOS 26.1 RC release candidate. So what we have new in this case, more or less they look similar than the previous version. So we can go to setting here. In appearance, now you have two options, liquid glass. You have tinted type of liquid glass option. Also clear, so I have clear option here, and I open something here in this one, clear, or any app, TV here, not now. So you can see this is on clear. Now I put tinted. You see tinted, you don't see anything in the background. If I put clear, it's more transparent. I move the things here at the middle. So this is clear, this is tinted. Tinted is more readable. You can read all properly, as a foggy finishing, and clear more transparent. So this is something I could say different than before. Next change you would see from the last version of iOS. Here if I close all this, the icon here you can see Macintosh HD now looks beautiful, modern. So this is a big change from 26 to 26.1 in this case. But if you are coming from the previous beta version, you will not see a big change in this case. Next change, you can see the clock icon more vibrant, more real in this case, and Apple TV icon is more new. Now you can say it's only Apple TV, no more Apple TV Plus, although it's appear here Apple TV Plus, but here is only Apple TV. Next change could be notable in Apple Intelligence. You can see my Apple Intelligence in Spanish. So you can use Apple Intelligence in many languages now, in Portuguese, in German, Russian, many other languages. And if I go here in setting again, and if I go to Apple Intelligence, here to last version of last update, beta disappeared. There was no more beta written, but here is again I see beta. So Apple is still working on this to improve more. Another not a very big but small changes we can see in FaceTime. The voice could be better if your internet is dropped. You would see the robotic noise or something. Now it will maintain the sound quality better by help of AI or some technology. I'm not sure about it. And the video other thing has improved a bit according to my source. Next change you can see in phone app. You see if you are tinted version, you can see more clear button and all the things. The background is less transparent. If I put clear here, then the tinted option, in this one you have more transparent dialer. So the tinted version and the clear version, the phone dialer can change as any other app in your Mac in this case. And you can see changes in widget as well if I close all this. So for example, I have some widget here. I put calendar widget. This I can put anywhere I want. Before in macOS 26, it would go to whatever they want. It was more default position. Now you can leave wherever you want. So the movement you can decide whatever you like. So they are here and there more some small changes. We're not gonna detail all of this. So these are some of the biggest changes you can see if you update to macOS Tahoe 26.1 release candidate. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.